Welcome to the Wyoming RC Way. Today we got a review of the Capra crane arm aluminum winch. I'll put a link in the description and all that. And this is for my tow truck build. So anyway, let's see. Comes pretty well generic packaging. Nice aluminum. And I like how they put everything separate so it didn't get all scratched up in the shipping. That was really nice. There. So I won't be putting that on because I gotta, you know me, I gotta paint them. So let's get into this. And of course, whenever I actually go to put this on the truck and all that, I will actually Loctite this stuff. But for now, we're just trying to get you guys what it looks like. And for reference, it's these are 2 millimeters. They've all been 2 millimeters so far. And then I would also suggest getting a little bit of oil just to put in there when you go to put yours together also. And one side is not threaded, the other one is. Depending on how you orientate this, when you put yours together, it's going to be whether the screw's going to go this way or that way. Because the way I did mine, my screw's going to come from this direction. Okay, yeah, and then these screws would be for when you go to mount it down. And those screws will be 1.5s. But all the rest of them will be 2s. And then of course you'd have this right here. Of course I gotta paint mine. And they will just go right in there. And those might be 0.27s or 1.5s, not sure. But they'll give you everything there. Give you that little, so you can thread it all at any time you want for when you take this on and off. So anyway. There it is. This is a comparison of 2 different tow truck booms for if you're doing a tow truck or doing some sort of tow thing. So this is the first one I bought. To make that lay flat, you're pretty much going to be about like that. Of course, this one really doesn't have any adjustment. And this one you do have a little bit of adjustment up here. And all that. And with me playing with it, playing with them both They're both about the same height that way now. But in order to get the same height, this one kicks way, way back. Now, if you adjust this one, so because this one has a little bit more adjustment, so you can get it up a lot higher. But the problem with that also is it starts changing the angle of this a lot. So just keep that in mind. And turn this up a smidge. And kind of give you a different visual here. Let me get my tow truck. Wow, that takes up the whole thing, doesn't it? Okay, so that's that one. Let me get you guys tilted up a little bit. Like I said, you can get it up higher, but then it starts, the angle for the mount starts changing. That's with it pretty much flush with the bed. Yeah, for mine, I think for this build, I think I'm going to go with the one for the Capra. Because I think it's just going to work a whole lot better for me. Plus, it automatically comes out this way more. So, and wait till you see the kind of winch I'm going to put right here. Kind of go with an old school type winch. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. But thanks for stopping by, and remember, however you run it the Wyoming Cowboy way. Safe, fun, and built right.